Welcome back. Are you annoyed with the poor telecast of programs on cable TV channel? File a complaint. The South Goa collector Andy Agarwal has constituted a district-level monitoring committee to scrutinize the contents and quality of the programs and advertisements telecast by the channels on cable TV. The committee will initiate actions for violation of provision of Cable TV Network Rules 1994.
Under Cable Television Network Regulation Act 1995, a district-level monitoring committee has been constituted under the chairmanship of the district magistrate. This committee has to monitor all the cable network which are telecasting. It may be the national channel, it may be state channel, it may be local channel. Anything which has been not advisable to the society, it may be obscene, it may be remark against the women, or it may be affect the communal harmony, those has to be taken the actions. Poor quality of the telecast, picture is not clear or the sound is not clear, by that regard also complaint can be filed. They are not showing the free channel which is supposed to be show. The Rajya Sabha channel hai, ya DD hai, they are supposed to. That also can be brought in the knowledge. That so and so channel they are supposed to show, free channel which are there, they are not showing it.
High Court has not shown any urgency in hearing the review petition of the Goa Meat Complex on slaughtering of animals in Goa. The matter was mentioned in the High Court on Wednesday before the vacation bench. Meat Complex in its review petition has pleaded that animals fit for slaughtering are not available in Goa and importing animals is the only option. The complex has also mentioned that a special committee is in place to monitor operations of the slaughterhouse and High Court should modify its earlier order. Goa Meat Complex in its review petition has pleaded that High Court should rethink about its previous order. The petition states, Goan animals unfit for slaughter, need to import animals from outside, 60% people in Goa eat the meat, competent authority in place in the complex, all the rules and regulations followed. The petition has also attempted at countering arguments placed before the High Court by the original petitioner opposing slaughtering of animals. Argument: animal needed for farming, counter, Goan farmers into mechanized farming. Argument: animals needed for breeding, counter, Goan animals are not used for breeding. Argument: rules not followed in the complex. Counter: committee in place to monitor working. The petition also says that if the original petitioner had any grievance, then he should have approached the committee set up on the instructions of the Supreme Court. It also counters the breeding argument by stating that all government schemes stress on artificial insemination for better milk output. Bureau Report, Prudent. 290-kilometer range Brahmos supersonic cruise missile was successfully test fired off the coast of Goa on Wednesday. Missile was launched from Navy's latest guided missile frigate INS Turkish. The missile was launched from the Russian-built warship.
India successfully test-fired the 290-kilometer range Brahmos supersonic cruise missile from the Navy's latest guided missile frigate INS Turkish off the coast of Goa. The PDI report states that officials informed the missile was launched from the Russian-built warship at 11 at the morning. The launch was carried out by the Navy as part of acceptance test firing of the ship. The officials further stated, the vertical launch configuration of the supersonic missile enhances the stealth capabilities of the ship as the missiles are under the deck and not exposed. Jointly developed by India and Russia, the Brahmos is capable of carrying a conventional warhead of 300 kg. The missile can cruise at a maximum speed of 2.8 Mach. India is readying several different versions of the missile, which includes land attack, anti-ship and submarine launched versions. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.